Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 3 plus mod of y plus 1 plus y mod of y plus 2 plus mod y plus 3 plus mod y plus 4 equal to 17. In order to solve this question, first we should add all these 4 mod and we will get 4y plus 10 inside one mod, and this 3 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert minus 3. In the next step, mod 4y plus 10 will remain same, but when this 3 will subtract from this 17 we will get equal to 14. Now in the next step we should divide the both sides of the equation with 2 and we will get 2 mod 2y plus 5 equal to 7, because when this 4 will divide with 2 we will get 2y, and when this 10 will divide with 2 we will get 5, and when this 14 will divide with 2 we will get 7. Now in the next step we should apply the squaring on the both side of the equation, and you can see that this 2y plus 5 will be a plus b whole square formula. It means that this side of the equation will expand with a plus b whole square formula, and we will get, after applying a plus b whole square formula on this on this value, we will get 4y square plus 20y plus 25, and this 7 will convert on 49 after applying the square on 7. In the next step, this 49 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert in minus 49. In the next step, this 25 and minus 49 will simplify and we will get minus 24 after subtracting this 49 from plus 25, and 4y square plus 20y will remain same. And now we can see that this equation can be divided with the value of 4, and when this we divide the both sides of the equation with 4 we will get y square plus 5y minus 6 is equals to 0, because when we divide the whole value with 4, this 4 will cancel out with 4, when this 20 will cancel out with 4 we will get 5, and when this 24 will divide with 4 we will get minus 6. You can see that this equation is a quadratic equation or a factorizable equation. So here you can see that this minus 6 is the C of a quadratic equation, and having the negative sign, it means that this B of a quadratic equation will break in a opposite sign. So we get, after factorizing this equation, is y square plus 6y minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Now in the next step we should take common y from the both of these value and we will get y plus 6, and minus will take common from both of these value and we will get y plus 6 as a reminder. Now in the next step we should take common y plus 6 as a common value and y minus 1 will be the remainder. In the next step we should take common y plus 6 is equals to 0, and this plus 6 will move to the other side of the equation and convert in minus 6. Now we should take common y minus 1 equal to 0, and this 1 will move to the other side of the equation and we will get the value y is equals to 1. Here we get the two values for y, which is y is equals to minus 6 and y is equals to 1. Here we get two values for the y, and this is our required answer for this y. So I hope this video very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our to channel. Thank you.